VW Passat 2-litre diesel. That's on cars in limp mode. It's to do with this, which I've done quite a lot of. And if I try to clear it, I know the engine's running. If I just turn it off, turn ignition on, if I try to clear it, I very much doubt it will. And even if it does, it's only temporarily. You guys ping back up there. On here it says no fault code, but if we reread it, it's come back straight away. As you can see, it's flashing. And if I turn the car on, there you go. Engine light will come back on in a second when it's detected it. So what we'll do, we'll come out of this, we'll go into the DPF, reset it, then do a regen, otherwise it'll just kick us out of it all the time. Sensors on the DPF. Now it is allowing me to do the regen, so I'm just gonna do what it's telling me now. Turn off the ignition and then turn it back on, and then hopefully after this it should be able to let us do the regen and then the DPF light should knock out after about 40 minutes. So it's now satisfied with everything. If I turn the car on, okay, and continue. Let's pop the DPF light back on because it's going to do the regen. So it's telling me to slowly increase it to 2000 RPM. Okay, and then continue. That's what it's measured. So now it's just waiting for a confirmation from basically the ECU. So now everything's fine. I checked all the temperatures on the sensor. It's come back okay. And now it's going to do the reading. What's happened here is it's preferred the car to do a motorway rather than doing a standstill regen. That's just how the system has wanted it, and this is what I would recommend. Obviously the DPF light is on because it's in regeneration mode, and I'm just looking at like the Soot content and stuff, and happily everything's going down, which is good news. So we'll just carry on for another 30 minutes or so, and the light over there should switch off on its own automatically. That means the regen is finished and over. DPF light, everything is gone. Car's not in limp mode anymore, which is good news. Car runs perfectly fine. I've had a look at the code as well. All comes back perfect, really.